Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
A major landslide in Ketchikan, Alaska on Sunday created significant damage, leaving one person dead and 3 others injured. Now, this happened on Sunday afternoon around 4 p.m. A message to cruise radio from a passenger docking on Carnival Panorama yesterday afternoon said, "We just got to Ketchikan. They still let us dock despite the mudslide, although some excursions have been canceled." In a statement, Carnival said, "Our thoughts are with the people of Ketchikan impacted by the tragic landslide." It went on to say, in part, "Ketchikan is a valued partner for our Alaska vacations, and our cruise lines are working directly with the borough government on how we can best help." Royal Princess, Carnival Panorama, Grand Princess, and the Zaandam were in port yesterday, with 4 more scheduled today. And Norwegian Cruise Line has canceled 4 Pride of America sailings in Hawaii. This is in May of 2025 due to planned maintenance. Now, the impacted cruises originally set for May 3rd through May 24th featured 7-night round-trip itineraries from Honolulu, Hawaii. Impacted guests are receiving a full refund, with those who used a future cruise credit having their credit reapplied to their accounts. As far as compensation, Norwegian is offering a 20% discount on select Pride of America sailings and a 10% discount on any NCL cruise through December 2025. Gotta love that corporate generosity. And Disney Cruise Line has announced that its new ship, Disney Destiny, will sail its maiden voyage on November 20th of next year. This is sailing from Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale. The 4-night inaugural cruise will visit Disney's private destinations in the Bahamas, Castaway Cay, and Lookout Cay. Following the maiden voyage, Disney Destiny will offer 4- and 5-night cruises to the Bahamas and the Western Caribbean. Bookings for these sailings open on September 12th. And the cruise stocks were flat on Monday. Carnival Corporation 16.59, Royal Caribbean 162.03, Norwegian 17.46, and Viking 35.74. Lead on a story, let us know, tips@cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Tuesday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.